Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Student, today is our lecture number 2 that is based on the topic Miser the Mouse chapter 15. Student, it is a rhyme type chapter and in this rhyme you will learn about preposition. Have you ever listened the word preposition? Yes. It is a part of speech. Yes, it comes in the kind of part of speech. That's great. Okay, so open your book, go to page number 77, take out pencils, and let's start reading. At 8 o'clock, my sir went to the dock. He jumped on a boat and found a sleeping god. Hey, who are you? My sir said. I jumped quickly next to the bed. Wake up, let take me across the river. I live at 36 Mill Street in Giver. I don't know you, Tinny Mouse. Who are you in my house? Get out of my boat. Get out fast. I don't remember you from the past. Miser ran between the bed and the chair. Then he jumped through the air. He landed beside a fishing boat and never wanted to see another god. Okay, student, this is the reading of your rhyme unit number 15, Miser the Mouse. So, you have listened to me. What you have noticed? How many prepositions used in this rhyme? Yes, between, across, on, in, or near, through. These all are prepositions. Okay, student. Now, take out your notebooks. Prepare your notebook page. Write date over there, day over there, classwork, draw proper margin, write topic, Miser the Mouse, chapter 15, and then write activity dictation word. You have to write difficult words that are given below on your notebook. So first word is clock. C L O C K. Clock. Second word is dog. D O C K. Dog. Third word is jump. J U M P E D. Fourth word is boat. B O U G H T. Fifth word is sleeping. S L E P I N G. Sleeping. Sixth word is quickly. Q U I C K L Y. Quickly. Seventh word is wake. W A K E. Wake. Eighth word is mouse. 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 Ninth word is house. 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 Tenth word is remember. 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 11th word is between. 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 12th word is throw. Through. Throw. 13th word is landed. 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 14th word is fishing. 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 15 word is wanted. 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 16 word is another. 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 You have to write all these 16 words on your notebook, okay? You have to write it very neatly and very nicely. I am telling you again and again, you have to write it neatly and nicely, okay? Now go to the next page of your book, page number 78. Write the rhyming word from each. Here is the first word bed, dead, fed, led, red, okay? You have to make by your own. Next word is boat, goat, dot. You have to make another one by yourself. Third word is see, be, glee, free, lee. Okay? So next one, last word is fish, dish. Yes, that's good. Okay. So here is another interesting exercise. Make a color rhyme of your own. Green, green, I am queen. Pink, pink, I have pink. Red, red, I like bread. White, white, have a bite. Blue, blue, I like you. Okay, student, this is the rhyme I have created. You have to make your own rhyme. Okay, first one is given for you green, green, I am queen. Okay, your third exercise on page number 78 is C. Make a list of the word from the poem that rhyming together. Clock, dog, boat, goat, mouse, house, fast, past, chair, air, take, wake. Okay, student, go to the next page. Here is a picture and you have to describe it. Okay, this is a picture description type activity. So, do the given below exercise on your notebook. You have to do this exercise on your notebook. A picture of a boat is given that is sailing on the water, sea water. Okay. So, what will you write? This is a picture of boat. The boat is floating on water. Birds are also flying in the sky. This is very peaceful scenery. Okay? You have to write all these sentences about the picture on your notebook, and here activity will be picture description. DISCRPTION description. Okay? Now move to the next exercise on the same page, page number 79, puzzling rhyme. To discover the hidden picture, follow the direction carefully. Color section with word that rhyme with gate, line and bed. Red color. Okay, gate. Wherever the word gate, line and bed is come, or the rhyming word from these word are come, you have to color that word with red. Okay, color section with the word that rhymes seat, bird, car with blue. Okay, like seat, meat, neat. Okay, like this type. Okay, so you have to do this puzzling rhyme by yourself. Did you get it? Okay, moving to the next page, page number 80. Open your book, go to page number 80. Here is an exercise. Choose and write the correct sentence under each picture from the sentences given below. Here are six sentences given and six pictures are also given. You have to choose the correct sentence regarding the picture. Okay? In the first picture, a girl is throwing a ball. So, what will you write? She is throwing the ball. Next one is he is smiling. Next one is he is cutting hair. Next one is he is eating an ice cream. Next one is she is dancing. And the last one is he is crying. You have to do this exercise. Okay? So, open your book page number 81, that is the next one. There is a revision exercise of preposition. You have learned a poem, you have listened a poem about preposition. Now, what you have to do, you have to fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Okay, let's start it. Let's go for a walk. Come at 10 a.m. Monday morning. I bought the cab for RS20. I like to travel in the summer. Why are you laughing at me? He fell off a ladder. My mother will be back within 1 hour. This necklace is made of silver. He smiled to me. Someone is knocking at the door. Hold it carefully among your thumb and forefinger. Fraz is sitting beside his brother. You can get there by bus or and on foot or on foot. By and on will be preposition that will be used in this sentence. Okay. Number 14. Yes, you may write with ink. It gets very cool in winter. She was tired. She is on bed now. I'll see you dash Monday on Monday. Okay, student, this is the lecture of today. So, what you have to do, you have to do all the tasks as I instruct you, and after doing it, you have to send the picture of all your tasks you have done. Okay, hope so you get it all. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.